Number 13, the inputs and outputs of a function are shown in the table below. This function can best be described as linear, quadratic, exponential, or absolute value. So if we remember, a linear function is a straight line. That's when we're adding or subtracting by the same value each time. Quadratics look like this, like parabolas. So basically, there's going to be a turning point. So you're going to see a turning point in your table. Exponentials look like this. So we're going to be multiplying by the same value each time. And then absolute values are V-shaped. So they're basically going to sort of have like a nice little linear pattern going down and then coming back up. So if we look, what I'm going to think about real quick is it doesn't look like we're adding or subtracting by the same value each time, because to get from a 1 to a 2, I add 1. From 0.25 to 0.5, I add another 0.25. So it definitely can't be linear. So whenever it's not linear, I then go check to see if it's exponential. So I don't want to really deal with the decimals. I want to deal with the nice numbers. So if I look at 1 to 2, I times 2. So now what I'm going to do is see if those other values are timesing by 2. So I'm going to do 0.0625 times 2, and that gives me 0.125. So that works. Now I'm going to do 0.125 times 2, and that gives me 0.25. Then I'm going to do 0.25 times 2, and that gives me 0.5. Then I'm going to do 0.5 times 2, if you haven't noticed, and I get 1. So basically, since I'm multiplying by 2 each time, it has to be an exponential function.